Okay. Okay. So welcome everyone to the session. This is our third webinar on endpoint security by anothergps.com. So thank you very much for your joining your time on this session. Today we have a presenter with us who is a student of 7th standard, Molishka Kohli. She is going to present on cloud storage security. So before I hand over this session to her, can you just confirm if you are able to hear me properly? आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So Molishka, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay. So I am just going to show you the first screen. Let me know whenever you want me to continue with the second screen. Okay. It's all with you now.
Okay. Good afternoon, Molishka Kohli here, and today I'm going to present you all about cloud storage security. Next slide, please. What is cloud security? Cloud security is a cloud computing model in which data is stored in remote servers accessed from the internet or cloud. There are four main types of cloud storage: personal, public, private, and hybrid.
Monisha, can you see my screen?
No, I can't. Yeah, I got it.
Okay, continue.
Cloud security concern. As cloud storage becomes more common, data security is an increasing concern. Companies and schools have been increasing their use of services like Google Drive for some time, and lots of individual users also store files on Dropbox, Amazon Drive, Microsoft OneDrive, and the like. There are no doubt concerns about keeping their information private, and millions more users might store data online if they were more certain of the security. Next slide. Cloud security use case. Data stored in the cloud is nearly always stored in an encrypted form that would need to be cracked before an intruder could read the information. The keys to that encryption are held varies among cloud storage services. In addition, there are relatively simple ways users can boost their own data security beyond what's built into systems they use. Next slide, please. So how safe is cloud storage? There is a growing recognition that major cloud providers typically deliver more robust security than on-premises systems. Alert Logic reported that firms experienced a 51% higher rate of security incidents at on-premises data centers versus public clouds. Among the key advantages of the cloud storage, cloud delivers greater end-to-end visibility into data and security practices. Cloud offers a single point of management for encryption keys. Next slide. So now is cloud security risk. There are three main top risks. The first one is no control over data. The problem here is that when using the third-party file sharing services, the data is typically taken outside of the company's IT environment, and that means the data's privacy settings are beyond. the control of the enterprise. To avoid such a risk, we should ensure that a service provider stores a file with proper encryption. The second one is data leakage. Data leakage is one of the major threats because it is stored on the cloud, which has an access by multiple users. To avoid such a risk, the best strategy is to make sure that our data is stored on cloud with proper encryption and stronger password. The third one is BYOD, which also means bring your own device. Many companies allowing their employees to bring their own laptops under BYOD policy in office to work on official projects. This, this saves the cost of the company by not buying IT equipment for the employees. But in this case, the risk is higher if employee loses device. Therefore, using cloud storage will reduce the risk of losing data. Thank you.
मानसी जरा बघ ना आणि घेऊन ये. अरे जा ना यार.
Okay, thank you, Malishka, for presenting this presentation. It was really a good one to know how the cloud storage is secure and what all risk we have. So, is there anyone has any questions for Malishka on these slides? Okay, any feedback?
Very good initiative by Malishka, actually,
Thank
from
you.
my side.
Thank you, Uncle.
Yeah, very excellent.
Yeah, Moniska, she is in 7th standard. She has actually done very well. Appreciated.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you very much for all your encouraging feedback for students like this. And that is one of the motive we have in this initiative, that we at least provide a platform to all the students, all the professionals and youngster or college students, those who are interested, but they are not getting a platform to present. And we choose this topic like endpoint security or a cyber security, so that they will get to know some new topic which can be useful in their further career growth or in the future growth. And also this platform they can utilize for getting the presentation skills. And I'm very happy at least Molishka took this initiative from the student side, and we also have some students on the next webinars. We have two more students. One is from college graduation. He is doing second year BE, and another one is on the PU side. So we will have these lineups, and we are more and giving a more encouraging opportunities to these students, so that they will learn and they will get some new opportunities to present themselves. I again want to say thank you to Molishka, and as a token of appreciation, will present this certificate from all our group to Molishka. So Molishka, this certificate is for you. We will send you by email, and you can use this for your further reflection of your work to your school or to your friend circle. And here we have mentioned clearly that your certificate is providing the certificate to you for cloud storage security presentation. And as a tradition of our certificate, we have given the certificate number, and this information will be updated on our portal anothergps.com, so that anyone who wants to validate the certificate, they can just fill it and find your name and certificate number over there for the authenticity of the certificate. With this, I really want to you're welcome, Molishka. You want to say something on this?
I am very happy to have the certificate.
Very good. We are very happy to have you in the group. Thank you very much. Okay, so in addition to this, let's continue with our next agenda. We have like now people are connected with us from last 2 months, and we are seeing lot of encouraging feedback on WhatsApp, individual sending to me and to our group, which I am sharing with our team members. They are very excited to have this initiative, and we have seen a drop in the participation on the channel and in the webinar, but we are still happy that at least they are active on the chatting and giving us a feedback by email. So we got some requests that at least we should also get some certification for the team, those who have participated in this course. And for that, as I mentioned in the last presentation or last webinar, that we are going to have a exam in the coming month, or most probably by end of June or the first week of July, where we will present a certificate to all those participants who will achieve more than 80% or 80 and more than 80% in their exam, and that exam will be based on whatever knowledge we have shared. So at least we can you can show that as a reflection of your investment in the time on this session. And we have a plan to conduct it at 3 levels. So this will be a very basic level, then we will have advanced, and then we will have expert level. So expert level will definitely take some time, because for that we should have more experts hands on labs. For that we are working. So idea is to create more awareness among the team, where we can increase the awareness to the layman or to the citizen of our India, and to the students community, so that they can learn how the cybersecurity can be harmful, and how they can use that cybersecurity tips to safeguard their data. Okay, because day to day life they are using their mobile phones, and they are using mobile phone for their bankings. They are having all their data, photograph, everything on the mobile. Mainly if I talk about the professionals, they are working on the mobile or on the mobile devices always, on by using the Wi-Fi or mobile internet. So this idea, let's see how far we can take it further with all your support and encouragement. So before I go to the next topic, I want to know if anyone has any feedback or comment.